Gaya na lang ng merong mga batang malapit na mahulog o may mga matatandang na dapat bilis ka, tulungan mo kagad sila para iwas disgrasya. 9. Control vehicle and personal traffic inside the compound. At ang number 9 naman, kailangan mo talagang i-prevent ang i-control ang vehicle sa kagaya ng parking lot. Dapat nakaayos ang pagparking ng mga sasakyan. Hindi yung kahit saan na lang dyan. Hindi yung ikaw pa mismo na magsasabi na, sige, dyan mo lang ilagay yan. Malaki pa naman ang space. Wag, dapat nakakontrol at naka-arrange yung mga parking sasakyan para mas marami ang mga mas marami ang makakaparking at iwas sa traffic dahil kagaya na lang ng kung may doon sa kunwari may exit doon sa parking lot tapos may sasakyan pala nakaharang doon dahil hindi yun ayos na parking, so nakaharang sa bituan. Paano lang kung mangyayari na mga sunog sa loob, pagtakbo nila paalis, palabas sila, hindi na sila makalabas dahil may nakaharang. So control vehicles at personal traffic and perform any other duties related to maintaining safety and security. Security. So, categories of private security training. Pre-licensing training program. Required by getting a security license. Provide basic skills and educational background needed to work effectively as a security guard detective. Includes courses like basic security guards course, security officers training, agency operators training, seminar and training that trainers course. 2. Refresher training program, periodic or occasional in-service training. Aim to renew the improve basic skills and knowledge gained from experience. Often requires by employees for renewal of security license. Example, periodic retraining, course basic security supervisor, course security supervisor development course,